If you had 1 0 sitting in your bank account right now, what would you do with it? Most people would say, put it in stocks, buy some crypto, or maybe try drop shipping. Sounds smart, right? But let's pause for a second. The truth is, the best first investment isn't in the stock market or real estate, it's in you. Let me explain. That 1 0 might not seem like much, but if you use it right, it could be the seed that grows your long-term wealth. The first thing you should do with it, learn a high-income skill. Spend that money on a quality online course in something like digital marketing, freelancing, writing, editing, designing, programming or tech skills, finance and money management, sales or public speaking, even starting a personal brand. Why? Because unlike crypto or stocks, skills don't crash. A good skill can earn you thousands of dollars a month for the rest of your life. Think of it this way. If you invest 1 0 into learning how to make 1 0 month, that's a 200% annual return. Let's take it further. Buy books, attend workshops, learn from people who are already successful. Start a small project, maybe even your first side hustle. Use the 1 0 to buy tools, a domain name, software, subscriptions, or gear to get started. The goal isn't to make that 1 0 grow overnight. The goal is to turn yourself into the kind of person who can turn any 1 0 into 10 0 again and again. And here's the secret. Once you've built even one skill that pays, you'll never be broke again. You won't panic when the market crashes. You won't rely on one job. You won't need to hope your investments grow because you'll be the one in control. So before you throw your first 1 0 into something trendy, invest in your brain. Make yourself valuable. That's the foundation of wealth. CTA, end. Now I want to hear from you. What would you invest your first 1 0 in and why? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you're ready to level up financially, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more real money talk.